Affiliate marketing. Start watching here to start. If you want to create a business that you can succeed at for long periods of time through affiliate marketing, then you want to always educate yourself with new tips. Learning new methods you can apply toward becoming successful with affiliate marketing is a great way to ensure that you are taking the right steps, so take some time to read through the tips provided in this video. To be paid fairly, check if the affiliate marketing program you joined keeps their statistics up to date. Good statistics should tell you how many people visited the website, how many of them bought something, and how many of these sales you are responsible for. If the numbers do not seem right, perhaps the program is hiding information from you. Secret links are links that allow you to utilize affiliate links without being blatantly obvious. You can use techniques to infiltrate the text with affiliate links without being obvious about it. Take advantage of these, but be upfront about it. Let them know that the link is an affiliate link, so they will be aware. Use the templates from your affiliate programs, but make the content unique to you and your audience. If someone clicks on your page and sees an obvious copy and paste template with no personal information or content, they are going to click away and not come back. You can use the templates as they are usually proven items, but make sure to include yourself in it or you'll drive your clients away. To be successful in affiliate marketing, you need to have a website with significant numbers of visitors every day. Offering coupons can be an effective tool to attract more and more customers. It is even better if you can offer a variety of coupons redeemable on your merchant's site, as this practice can increase your income significantly without any major investment. A great affiliate marketing tip is to simply ask for more money from the company you're doing business with. If you've proven yourself to be reliable and you generate steady income, most companies will agree to give you a higher commission. This is an easy way to make more money. Don't let your affiliate ads go stale. Review your content from time to time. Update and add new affiliate links to keep it interesting and pertinent for your readers. Doing this encourages readers to keep checking back to see what's new. It will also improve your search engine ratings. The two factors that matter the most in marketing are how much effort you put out, and what your strategies are. Through failure, you can find a good strategy. Don't get discouraged. You must be able to learn from mistakes that you have made. The tips in this video should have helped you think about ways to create or improve on your affiliate marketing business goals. If you are feeling the tips in here as a whole are overwhelming to remember, then rewatch this video. You want to make sure you remember these tips so you can actually apply them. Now that you have been told the basics of affiliate marketing, the next thing is to join an affiliate marketing program. Traffic is the lifeblood of affiliate marketing. I have very good news for you. You can get highly targeted traffic from YouTube at just 3 clicks of the mouse. How? By using a software called Widely. Widely allows you to create and rank articles and videos with only 3 clicks. You don't need to create an article, create backlinks, or know SEO technique. The software does it for you. These are some of the things that the software will do for you. 1. Reverse engineers Google and ranking system. 2. Finds untapped buyer keywords that can easily be exploited. 3. Gets you ranked thanks to perfect SEO optimized titles, DSC and tags. 4. Works in English, French, or any other language, and in any niche. 5. Drives 100% free visitors from Google and YouTube. 6. Tap into the massive potential of SEO without actually knowing SEO. Best of all, if you have any doubt, try for 30 days, and if for any reason you are not 100% satisfied, you will get your money back 100%. For a similar platform on the internet, you will be paying a minimum of $97 a month. But with Vividly, you will make only a one-time payment of $47 if you purchase directly from the original creators by clicking the link in the description. Click the link in the description to learn more.